Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to start your collection on VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO app, so just click on the VSCO icon on your screen right here. Then you want to go to your collection. And here, as you can see, I do have some 3 pictures. And if you want to start your collection, okay, maybe I'm going to delete them right now. Because why not? So let's make it like this. Okay, and as you can see, your collection is just reposted posts. So what you want to do to start your collection, just go to the feed or to discover to search for someone that you're looking for. And how to search, we have another video on our channel, and also how to repost. So maybe, let's say I want to repost, for example, maybe this photo, and just to click repost right here, this button. And this is going to be in my collection. So let's go to the profile right now. And as you can see, I do have this specific photo in my collection. So the collection means that the post that you have reposted from someone else. So this is it. This is how you can repost on VSCO. Start the collection on VSCO. Sorry. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.